In this video, I chat to Kerri Chandler at the DJ Awards, and we talk about 5 things every producer needs to know. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission, and I'm at the DJ Awards this week, and I got to chat to Kerri Chandler. It was really, really exciting. I've never met him before, and I'm really, really honoured to hear you chat with us. Please bear in mind that it's a really noisy room, that room, for the press, and there's loads of background noise. I double mic'd up, and hopefully it sounds cool and you can hear everything he's saying. It sounds cool for me, so all good. We chatted about 5 things every producer needs to know, and I hope you get some value out of it. Comment below what you get out of this, because he does give so much value, and I'm really pleased he spoke to us. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's watch it now. So I'm here with Kerri Chandler at the DJ Awards. Thank you so much for joining me.
Well, thank you for having me here.
And so you're up for the House Music Awards.
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I'm excited. I mean, it's if I win it, it's like a great birthday present for me.
Is your birthday today?
Well, it's next week, but
oh man, happy birthday!
Thank you.
And how's your summer been?
It's been really busy. I think this is the busiest I've ever been in my entire life.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll give you an example. I got a card this year. I'm a 2 million mile flyer now.
Oh wow!
I didn't know that could happen, and that's on one airline, so I was like, ooh, that's scary. That means it feels like I'm more in the air and living out of a suitcase than I've been home.
How do you find that?
So, but it's well worth it being, the reward you get back. It's fantastic.
Because you generally had a resurgence the last few years, like
oh, yeah.
I don't know whether you felt that you went for a dip and then you just came back strong, like the last few years.
You know what I think it is? It's like, for me, I've always been busy anyway.
Yeah.
I think it's just another generation of people coming in, discovering house music, and I just try to be consistent.
That's amazing. So talking about the next generation, our content on Data Transmission is all about the next generation, and I wanted to ask you 5 things that you think every producer needs to know.
Well, if you don't know something, definitely try to learn it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is. I mean, I try to learn something new every day. First thing I'm trying to figure out is like new gear, new plugins, or new anything.
Do you read? Are you a reader?
Oh, constantly. I'm constantly watching tutorials. I'm constantly reading things. I'm constantly watching documentaries.
What was the last great book you read?
The last book I read is a physics book. I guess that's the best way to describe it.
Amazing.
Yeah,
amazing.
I mean, it sounds crazy to think about, but what happened was same thing. I'm an engineer first.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you know any of the other backgrounds and things I do. I actually work with METI.
Nice.
METI is the people that send signals out into space.
Yeah, nice.
So I'm on the advisory board. I do that.
Incredible.
Yeah, so that's one of it, and the other part is like SETI listens, and NASA is the other part of it. So
I did not know this about you, and I'm fascinated now about this about you, because I did physics at school, and in the 90s I went to CERN.
Oh, nice.
On a school trip to CERN. And it was still building it. They were literally still building it.
Yeah.
And I'd love to talk to you about physics.
I could sit here all day.
But let's jump into point number 2. Every point that DJs need to know.
Okay. Second thing, you definitely need to know your gear.
Yep.
You have to know what to get from here to there, and it's the easiest route to get it to. Third thing I think you need to know is, how music works, how to make arrangements, and definitely what key the song is in, and try to play an instrument if you can. Not just hit a button and hope things sound right.
Yeah.
That to me is important. Again, like if you don't know something, try to learn the gear. You might see the plugin, but try to play with the real thing if you can find it.
Are you a big fan of kind of learning one thing and learning it well, and then instead of like trying to do many things?
Well, what I've always done is try to expand on everything I do well.
Yeah.
Things I don't know, then I try to learn them. I call it assets and liabilities.
Nice.
If I don't know something, it's a liability. I need to learn and turn it into an asset.
Yeah.
And that's how it works for me.
And our big final one from you.
A big final one? Monitors.
Yeah.
Monitors are huge. Like, you have to hear what it's going to translate out into what you're doing. In practice, 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 practice. That's the real thing. I mean, I never looked at all of this stuff as some kind of like glamour profession. You take it in.
Yeah.
It's not champagne and crack crab and women.
Yeah.
I mean, really, when you DJ, you're going to feel it on the road. You're going to wake up days like, oh my God, where am I? It's that way. But once you get where you're going, you hone your skill every single day. You try to do one thing better and better and better and better. And you become a pro at it after, what is it, 10,000 hours?
Yes, that's right. I've read that as well. For after 10,000, yeah. Kerri Chandler, thank you so much for those tips. And I wish you the best tonight. I hope you win because you've had an incredible year. I really wish you the best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for starting, man. Cheers.
I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, man. See you soon. I wish you the best.